Did you know that the monster in The Last of Us is not only based on a real mushroom, but it's actually a lot more terrifying than they write on TV? Let's talk about it. Ophiocordyceps is the real parasitic fungus that inspired the show. The way it works is that it infects carpenter ants and hijacks their behavior to further its own survival. For decades, scientists assumed this fungus controlled behavior by invading the brain. In reality, when infected ants were examined under electron microscopy, fungal cells had infiltrated the muscle fibers throughout the ant's entire body, but the brain itself was largely untouched. Watches the whole thing. And all this fungus wants to do is spread. So it programs the ant like a biological drone, compelling it to climb to exactly 25 centimeters above the forest floor, the precise height and humidity the fungus needs to fruit. It then makes the ant clamp its jaws into a death grip on a major leaf vein, and it just cannot release from it. So then it dies. And then days later, a stalk bursts out of its head and rains spores down on every ant walking below. Now, you may be asking yourself, why doesn't it infect us like it does on the show? And the answer is actually pretty simple. Our body temperature just runs too hot for the fungus to survive. But that's exactly what The Last of Us builds its entire premise around: a warming climate slowly closing the gap between outside temperatures and the heat inside our bodies.